Guys, so
Hello,
this
friend.
is the team of the single fin. So excited! It's gonna be today's on my vlog. By the way, beautiful sunset today, guys.
Era inocente como la ves, se volvió madura, la niñez es por un pobre bobo que le fue infiel. Ya no se enamora, cuenta las veces. La leyenda dice que ahora está bien, que es independiente, se lo merece. Me dicen que nada es muy bien. Aquí bien mojada con tantos peces. Ella quiere gozar, con el rum me dice pásalo. Ella se quiere olvidar del que la traicionó. Ella quiere janguear, olvidarse de ese dolor, poniéndose a farrear, seguro.
Alright, how are you doing, guys? Today I'm by myself. Winnie is busy working and I decide I'm gonna come today to Uluwatu, to single fin, watching the sunset. And yeah, and we will see how is the situation inside. First of all, I can see it's super quiet over here, and we all used to try a few weeks ago to come to single fin. Let's see if it's open and was closed. I hope so. It's open today. I saw somewhere on Instagram as it's open for 2 or 3 hours, so let's see.
La baby quiere curaciones, me llama pa' que vaya ya. Quiere que le cante todas mis canciones, hablando de corazones, el suyo no funciona ya. Estamos bien pa' esas relaciones, sabe lo que quiere, sabe lo que da. Solo en su mirada ves por lo que va. Sale pa' los party bien regular, entramos hotel y matando a Goliath.
Alright, guys, I'm in the single fin. As you can see around here, everywhere. I'm just only one person here at 5 o'clock. Somebody at the entrances, and that's it. That's unbelievable, and this is so sad in the same time, because normally it's a lot of people like that, and you have to be very lucky to get any spot at the front to watching the sunset. But now, porque son las 6. Es el alma, la fiesta es donde uno la ve. Su cara no refleja lo que ella es. Tremenda mujer. Ella quiere gozar, con el rum me dice pásalo. Ella se quiere olvidar de que la traicionó. Ella quiere janguear, olvidarse de ese dolor. alright, my thoughts about the current situation. I'm totally speechless, to be honest, because when we was with Winnie 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, okay, it was so quiet, but was few surfers and some people was selling still something, but now, honestly, it's totally quiet. It's just, I don't know what to say, it's nobody here, you know, and no surfers. I see totally one surfer only. I will show you guys now.
Poniéndose a farrear, seguro.
Cheers, guys. Nobody next to me to make a cheers. That's only Coke, that's not the whiskey or anything. I'm not drinking alcohol anyway, and I'm driving.
Inocente como la ves, se volvió madura, la niñeces por un pobre bobo que le fue infiel. Ya no se enamora, cuenta las veces. La leyenda dice que ahora está bien, que es independiente, se lo merece. Me dicen que nada es muy bien.
So in the normal conditions will be so many people over here, and you know, people will be drinking, chilling, watching sunset, watching surfers. But unfortunately, it's nobody here. It's one guy somewhere there, and literally it's only one surfer in full entire ocean. To be honest, I never ever saw something like that in my life. Never. So the one guy is here. I feel much better now. By the way, social distancing, the most important. And I ordered the loaded fries. Yeah, so spicy, by the way. Oh my god, that's so good. Hi, Sayona.
Hi. I'm so sorry that I couldn't come with you because I'm so busy with my work and the projects. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's okay, Sayona. Are you finished?
I'm still working.
Yeah.
I'm still working. I'm so sorry.
Oh,
Hey.
it's beautiful sunset, look.
How beautiful. Okay, enjoy your time, yeah?
Yeah, I call you later. Yeah, see you later anyway.
Bye. I love you.
I love ya.
Aquí bien mojada con tantos peces. Ella quiere gozar, con el rum me dice pásalo. Ella se quiere olvidar del que la traicionó. Ella quiere janguear, olvidarse de ese dolor, poniéndose a farrear, seguro.
Alright, some bikes are here. However, I don't know where is the people coming. Maybe that's the workers or something. It was beautiful sunset, super cool stuff. Alright guys, anyway, I promised you story for today, and I'm gonna tell you the story from my third day in Bali for the very first time. That was a few years ago. I come to Bali. I didn't know too much about Bali. I just bought the ticket and come. I didn't read too much. I didn't prepare myself. So I landed in Tuban, in one hotel in Tuban, very close, close to the airport, between Kuta and airport, close to the Discovery Mall. And after, in my third day, I decided I'm gonna rent the bike, and I rent the bike. I got the very old Vario, and I decided I'm gonna have a ride. You know where I go? I go to Gilimanuk harbor, which is almost 100 kilometers from the Kuta. This is super far away. Not so many people will go to the so far if for no reason, but I was thinking, cause it's like in Europe, I'm gonna go like very quickly without any problems. I was a little bit mistaken. It took me, I think, 8 hours. Nothing happened, but my bike was so bad. Whenever I go to the red light, was already switched off, and doesn't matter. Was a good, cool experience. However, by the way, check this out. So quiet. few cars, but it's so quiet. Yeah, back to the topic. I will sit over here, will be easier to talk for me. Anyway, in the junction where is the harbor Gilimanuk and you're going right is the national park in Bali. The police stopped me, you know, and was super cool policeman. I always will remember him. He said, I got, of course, the international driving license, so was no problem with license at all. And the policeman, like always, asked me, where are you from? I said, I'm from Poland. And then, oh, so you know Robert Lewandowski. He's the most famous football player in Poland and one of the most famous in the world, if somebody don't know, of course. And I say, yeah. I said that I know him, like almost everybody will say the same anyway. And I got first time in my life high five with the policeman on the road, and I just pay him 50,000 rupiah. And now you will ask, why I pay him 50,000 rupiah? Because my bike was so bad as has one broken bulb, so was half light, half not. And I was completely off because I didn't know as you have to switch on the lights in Indonesia at this time, of course. And that was the manually switch on, switch off, not like in new bikes when you turn on the engine, it's automatically working and it's LED lights. And he asked me, okay, but you have to pay the fine. And I asked him, how much? Do I have a ticket or something? No, just tell me how much you can pay me. And I don't know why, I just said 50,000, which is like at $3 or $4. And that's it. And he was so happy, let me go. I know it's maybe some little bit silly story or something, but that's the story of my third day in Bali so far. Very first third day. And anyway, I was talk about this story because every time I go to Uluwatu by myself, if I go with Winnie, usually we go by car. But sometimes I'm thinking I should go by car or maybe I should go by bike, because it's going to somewhere very far, like it's from Denpasar to Uluwatu, it's like a 1 hour drive or more further. It's always question for me, should I go by bike or should I go by car? And you know, it's so many pros and cons driving car and bike in Bali. But I think the most important thing is that going by bike is so quick. Going by car you can stuck in the traffic. And the second thing is, hold on, the bikes. And the second thing is safety. Going by car is more comfortable, air conditioned, it's more safe, that's the most important reason. But it's slower. Going by car is faster, it's cheaper, less petrol and everything. However, if something happened by bike, you know the consequences. And ironically, I never got any accident or small incident by bike, but I had something 2 times by car. Once in the corner of the very small road, the truck hit my back and I crashed the lamp, like this one, like was the crashed. And once on the big road coming to East Bali, like it's dual line, dual carriageway, somebody hit me because he was playing on the phone. I'm not gonna talk now about what's happened after that. The truck truck driver just doesn't stop and go. And when the car hit me, I got some problems with the... I just got some problems, that's it. End of the story. It wasn't my fault, but I got the problems. Anyway, okay, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. A little bit about no real topic, sunset, story of my life. I hope so you like it. Like always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you subscribe, put notification on, so whenever we upload the video, you will get notified. New video every day, 7 PM Bali time, GMT +8. See you tomorrow, guys.
Ella quiere gozar, con el ron me dice pasa. sabe por qué son las 6. Es el alma la fiesta y donde uno la ve.